Understanding the term, reaffirm, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to delve into. The word, reaffirm. It might sound a bit formal, but it's a word that can be very useful in various contexts. Stick around as we break it down, explore its meanings, and show you how to use it in sentences. Reaffirm is a verb, and to understand it, you can break it into two parts, re and affirm. The prefix re means again or back, and affirm means to state something as a fact with strong confidence. So, when you put them together, reaffirm means to state something again or anew with strong conviction, to make sure the other person understands it clearly or to show that your opinion or belief hasn't changed. You can use reaffirm in a variety of situations. Here are a few examples to help you understand better. 1. Personal convictions. When you want to show that your beliefs or opinions remain strong, you can say something like, "I would like to reaffirm my commitment to this cause." 2. Agreements and decisions. In legal or formal settings, when decisions or agreements are revisited, people might say, "We are here to reaffirm the terms of the contract." 3. Support and assurance. To show support to a friend or a family member, you could say, "I want to reaffirm my support for you during this time." In each of these examples, reaffirm is used to express that something is being stated again, with confidence and conviction. While using reaffirm, make sure that it fits the context, as it is a strong and formal word. Avoid using it in casual conversations where a simpler word might be more appropriate. For example, instead of saying, "I just want to reaffirm that I'll be there at 5 p.m., you could simply say, "I just want to confirm that I'll be there at 5 p.m. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the word, reaffirm. We hope that this video has helped clarify what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations and writing. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding the nuances of words helps us communicate more effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.